Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is how you turn your automatic locks on and off. How you get a digital speedo on your Audi A1. So, turn on ignition, let everything load and power up. Now, as you can see, I have the digital one set up already. All I do is push that button, brings up your brings up everything here. So it's a computer that you're programming, and it's say dig speed on. Click that, and that will come up. Let me show you it actually working. So as you can see here, none of my speedos works or nothing. Click that, done. Next part is your automatic central locking. All you simply do is come over to here, press car, and you'll get all these settings. You've got vehicle settings, which is the one we want. Then you go down to lock when driving, and you can click that off. Or if you don't want people opening your doors when you stop the traffic lights and that, you can click on, and that'll automatically lock your doors when you go over 10 miles per hour. If you need to know how to do something else on any car really, especially Audi, or just the day-to-day life thing, let me know down below and I'll make a video on it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.